Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily stock market review for the trading day ending Wednesday, July 30th. Well, firstly to the S&P 500 today, and here we see a change of trend to the downside. Previous day we saw the market change the trend to the upside. A candle that made a higher high and a higher low that found resistance at the window that was opened up. A negative day where the sellers took control. We were looking for a change of trend. We have seen that today, confirmed today, with the current candle making a lower high and a lower low. The problem here for the sellers is, and as expected, is that we saw the sellers lose commitment down around the Kijun-sen and below the Kijun-sen and around this 1968 level of previous resistance and support. And we've seen an indecisive spinning top type candle develop, and it suggests that there is now potential for the trend to change back to the upside. So what we're seeing is a lack of strength from the sellers. We're not seeing that strong follow through that we saw for the previous day's trading, where the sellers had very strong control of the market. And we know that the Kijun-sen indicator is a very, very important area of support or resistance for any market, and in this case an area of support, and we have seen price action rejected from there. Now, by the same token, we've also seen the buyers attempt to rally the market back up above the Tenkan-sen, and we've seen that area hold as resistance now. So some very important trading coming up over the next trading day. Market bound by very close by support, close by resistance, indecision in the market, and in line with the market being bullish in that longer term time frame by trading above the Ichimoku cloud, we will be looking for the trend to change back to the upside and the market to test to the window that was opened up here previously. That's up around that 1985 level. There's a very good possibility of the market trading through there. If we can trade through there, then very good chance of testing up to the major high at 1991. Next, moving to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and here we've seen a similar type of candle, an indecisive spinning top type candle, but a candle that's still trading down below the Kijun-sen indicator, indicating a bearish market in that medium-term time frame. And the Chica span here now is below the corresponding price action, so this may be suggesting something of an important change in sentiment in this market. The bearish close down below the Kijun-sen for the previous day's trading was the first time in quite some time that we've seen a bearish close below there, and now we haven't seen the buyers show any strength in this market. The change of trend to the downside, but indecision in the market, and the change in momentum with the Chica span below the corresponding price action, confirming the negative price action that we're seeing in the medium and fast term time frames. Now, we do have some strong support down around this swing low at the 16,805 level, and we have seen price action in the recent past testing down below there and being rejected to the upside quite strongly from there. So it's an important trading activity coming up over the next day. But there is a potential for the trend to change, because what we haven't seen is the sellers continue with control of the market. They've lost control, and this indecision does suggest that there is a possibility of a change of trend to the upside, but the buyers will need to be strong enough to take out the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and that will be important trading activity over the next day or so. If that does occur, and if the market can rally enough, then we could see the Chica span actually change from being negative to positive, so like a possibility of that occurring if the buyers are strong enough.